everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to do an unboxing of my April cloth and paper subscription box. This is the stationery subscription box and this is the third month, so let's get on right to it. So in this box there's home refresh and renovation inserts, dashboards, accessories, which is page flags, arrow sticky notes, erasable pen, that's exciting, and Angora grid notepad, and also some journaling cards with the Ashes quote card, Make Art quote card, month view June 2021, matte card, and June 2021 clear cards. So this is a bit different than the previous type of cards where they are showing the picture and explaining what each items are, which is really useful because sometimes, you know, when you have the pictures, you know exactly what are those things are meant for instead of just having a writing on it. So kudos to cloth and paper for having a very creative way of saying what you have in your box. So without further ado, let's get into the box. I learned a long time ago the wisest thing I can do is be on my own side, by Maya Angelou. I'm still figuring out what I'm supposed to do with this type of cards. If you have any ideas what I can do with it, do let me know so that I can make sure that I try it on. Okay, so these are the dashboards. Okay, by the way, I'm having the personal size Filofax Malden, which fits this exactly, and these are the journal cards. Let me have a look. So this is a clear card, and this is the matte card, and To Make Living Itself an Art, That Is the Goal, by Henry Miller. And now after everything, you will not cave in. You are rising from the ashes. You are starting again. Morgan Harper Nichols. Wow, this is really good. I think I should have this as my motivational card in my planner because it does lift me up when I read this. Okay, now that's aside. There's a page flags from Cortado. So these are the see-through page flags. A transparent page flags, which they're having about 50 sheets inside. It's really tiny, but I love the color. So anyway, moving on. So this is the arrow sticky notes Angora in matte, which has 25 inches. So since it's matte, it's a paper, so it's easier for me to write on some things on top of it, which I do use this type of sticky notes quite a lot. So next is not sure what is this. This is the Angora grid notepad. Okay. It's a really big and strong paper. I'm thinking of printing on top of it, maybe like, you know, putting inbox and print it, and then use this to write down my inbox for the week. That will be perfect to use this. It's really good size. Okay, and next up is another dashboard. Okay, Elysian, beautiful or creative, divinely inspired, peaceful and perfect. And the tips to decorate your space. Okay, I don't think this is a dashboard. This is a home infographic dashboard. Okay, so tips to decorate your space. This is good because, you know, when I buy a new house, this will be perfect to use as to renovate my house. And self-cultivation. Wow, I love the way this is. This is my favorite if you ask me, because the color and the way the writings is popped up, it's very nice. The gradual process of acquiring knowledge, the effort of developing one's physical and mental capabilities. Okay, now this is the personal size home refresh and renovation. To do, supply list and notes. Wow, this is good. If I'm deciding to, you know, redo my room, because the last time I did actually redo my this study room, and this would be really good for that. So it comes with this, and then there are contact information, notes, I guess, you know, to call your carpenter, your aircon supplier, or something like that. And then this is your mood board, where you have the design concept, color scheme, textures, decor and accents, photos and inspiration. Wow. So there are more mood boards. Mood board. So they have the deco concept mood board, and then you have your space layout. This is really useful because this is really good. They have also given you how to use the page. Thank you so much. This is really useful. Well, I'm not moving anywhere for now, but when I buy a new house or I am redecorating this house, this insert is perfect. And I guess last but not least is the pen. It's an erasable pen. But there's no brand on it. It's just erasable gel pen. Okay, I love erasable gel pens because it's easier for me to erase things on my planner when I'm doing stuff. When I'm writing down something on my planner. But I use a permanent pen on my planners. But on my calendars, I do use erasable gel pen because, you know, sometimes your appointment changes. So let me try writing something. Put that aside. I'm gonna write right on top of this. It feels like the friction pen, and it looks like it as well. I'm assuming that this is a 0.7 nib because the 0.5 does not have a thick pen, thick size on the writing. So now trying to erase them. Yep, it erases perfectly. This is really good. Great addition to my planner. So that's all. These are the content of April subscription box. So I hope you enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed showing you guys. And thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye!